So you've probably heard of the sea breeze, but what causes it? Let's talk about it in this week's Sunday Science Tidbit. Well, last year we talked about specific heat in one of my Sunday Science Tidbits, and this means that the land heats up and cools off much quicker than the water. Think about a pot of water. The air above the burner heats up well before the water does. Well, this is a key part in creating the sea breeze, which typically occurs during the spring and summer. In the morning hours, the land and water are pretty close in temperature, but during the peak daytime heating hours, usually the early afternoon, the land can get to much warmer than the water. This temperature difference leads to a pressure difference, and that causes a wind that blows in off the ocean. The warmer air over the land wants to create a rising motion, and you get a tiny low pressure inland, and you get a tiny high pressure out on the ocean. You make this small scale circulation. Well, the sea breeze acts like a mini cold front that can provide enough lift to get some summertime pop-up thunderstorms that you can almost set your clock to if you keep track during the early afternoon. It also helps to keep our coastal counties a few degrees cooler. Now, during the nighttime hours, the opposite happens. The sea breeze reverses to a land breeze, and you get the land that cools off quicker and allows the breeze to blow out to sea. Now, you can see this most of the time on radar several miles inland, but in some extreme cases, it's made it all the way to Charlotte, North Carolina. Just look for that little pencil-thin green line on the radar. Pretty cool, right?
Exactly, and I guess sea breeze is about time we start talking about that, because I'm sure many people will be heading over to the beach this time of year and experiencing that a little bit.
Yeah, just watch on the radar like throughout the summer, and you'll see it pretty regularly.
Right, thank you, Candice. Well, new